In the fire escape corridors of office buildings, electricians crouch on the floor repairing loose fire door hinges, beside residential community bulletin boards. Their contact numbers always bear the note also handle plumbing, light replacement, and drain unclogging. Even in factory workshops, when conveyor belts jam, the first to rush forward for adjustments are often the electrical maintenance technicians. This professional group that should be wielding multimeters and navigating between switchgear cabinets has gradually transformed into handymen carrying ladders, tightening screws, and unclogging toilets. This seemingly absurd professional role dislocation actually conceals deep-seated games within industry ecosystems, workplace logic, and social cognition. On the desks of small business owners forever lies a meticulously calculated human resources ledger between a $800-a-month electrician and a $500-a-month handyman. The latter appears cheaper at first glance, but when considering comprehensive costs including recruitment, management, and social security, having electricians incidentally handle miscellaneous tasks becomes the more cost-effective choice. A hardware factory owner frankly admitted, with only 30 employees total, should we specially hire a toilet repairman? The electrician is here daily anyway. Giving an extra 500 yuan subsidy for additional chores works for both sides. This demand for versatile employees essentially reflects corporations' extreme pursuit of cost-effectiveness. Electricians' toolboxes now contain not just insulated gloves and wires, but gradually accumulated wrenches, glue guns, sealants, even drain plungers. This phenomenon proves particularly prevalent in property management, catering, and small manufacturing enterprises. Old Zhang, an electrician in a Beijing office building, has daily task lists reading: morning fix third floor circuit breaker, afternoon replace projector bulb in conference room, night unclog 22nd floor bathroom drain. Initially I resisted, complained to management several times. The supervisor retorted, "If you won't do it, should I hire outsiders? Each service call costs 200. Zhang smiled bitterly. Later I figured, more work might mean bigger year-end bonuses, so I endured. When enterprises prioritize cost-cutting over professional specialization, electricians' role boundaries blur. Transforming from electrical experts to corporate firefighters, modern building electrical systems have long ceased being isolated circuits, evolving into organic entities deeply integrated with water supply, ventilation, fire protection, and smart devices. Repairing a malfunctioning corridor light might require checking if ceiling conduits were soaked by a sea condensate. Troubleshooting factory machine tripping often starts with verifying whether mechanical jams caused motor overloads. This tug one hair move the whole body interdependence forces electricians to acquire cross-disciplinary skills through practice. Master Wang, an electrician in old Shanghai neighborhoods, once traced a residential power outage to kitchen pipe leakage infiltrating sockets. Could I just fix the wiring and leave? With water still seeping, problems would recur. Through repeated incidents, he taught himself basic pipe welding and waterproofing. In industrial settings, variable frequency motor diagnostics often involve mechanical transmission checks. While PLC system maintenance requires understanding pneumatic schematics, electricians' work has transcended simple wiring. Their passive skill expansion creating the public illusion that electricians can fix anything, obscuring the technical convergence driving these demands. Public perception unconsciously assigns electricians hardware problem-solving capabilities. Rooted in daily experiences when sockets fail or switches malfunction, electricians are the first recourse. To serve clients better, many incidentally handle minor tasks, replacing bulbs, reinforcing curtain rods, even assembling online purchased furniture. These goodwill extras gradually morph into expected duties. Home renovation electrician Master Lee shared, after installing a chandelier, the client said, "Since you've got tools, mount my bathroom towel rack too." Word spread, now 8 out of 10 clients pile on extra tasks. Subtly, this versatile label became a marketing advantage. In competitive gig economies, electricians advertising mastery of plumbing and carpentry secure more jobs than purely electrical specialists. Market forces push more electricians towards handyman roles, forging a self-reinforcing industry ecosystem. Superficially, electricians' versatilization represents skill expansion, but actually conceals professional crises. Senior electrician Chen in a Shenzhen electronics plant observes, younger electricians suffer more chores, less expertise. Where we studied frequency converter parameters and PLC programming, they're busy in clogging toilets and replacing locks, even struggling with basic circuit diagrams. Electrical technology evolves faster than imagined. Smart grids, industrial automation, new energy systems demand continuous learning. Yet chore-burdened technicians lack time for upskilling. More gravely, cross-domain work creates safety risks. A 2022 construction accident occurred when an electrician adjusting tower crane circuits incidentally modified wire rope clips, causing imbalance through improper operation. Electrical work requires absolute focus. Distracted by chores, even basic voltage checks get overlooked, safety experts warn. The universal handyman myth essentially violates professional safety protocols, exposing both enterprises and individuals to preventable risks. The solution lies in reconstructing electricians' professional value framework. Enterprises must recognize specialized division of labor ensures long-term efficiency. Dedicating electricians to electrical maintenance may increase labor costs but reduces equipment downtime and safety hazards. A foreign-funded factories approach proves instructive, establishing separate electrical engineer and facility maintenance positions with differentiated salaries. Enhancing specialization while preventing role confusion. For individual electricians, defining professional boundaries proves crucial. Now I clarify with clients. Non-electrical work incurs extra charges, says Master Lee, who allocates weekly time for technical study. Industry associations also act, formulating electrician professional skill standards to delineate core competencies from auxiliary skills, guiding societal understanding back to professional essence. Technologically, smart tools create new possibilities. IoT sensors enable precise equipment failure predictions. Drone inspections reduce aerial maintenance chores. Electricians' focus gradually shifts from physical repairs to data analysis, reclaiming time previously lost to chores for valuable technical research. When we see electricians replacing street lamps at midnight, troubleshooting leakage in rainstorms, or debugging control circuits in roaring workshops, their silhouettes should symbolize professionalism and reliability, yet reality forces them to wear the universal handyman label for survival and adaptation. A compromise under corporate cost pressures, a peculiar product of technological convergence, and a manifestation of societal cognitive bias towards blue-collar professions. The true breakthrough emerges when we cease viewing electricians as convenient tools, instead respecting their professional value. When enterprises willingly pay for technical expertise, when electricians themselves dare defend professional boundaries while embracing technological transformation, then the image of specialists wielding precision instruments will replace the jack-of-all-trades stereotype. In the era of smart grids and Industry 4.0, what we need aren't universal handymen, but genuine electrical experts. Next time seeing an electrician's toolbox, perhaps we should ask, today's mission solving circuit puzzles or another cross-domain rescue? The answer determines this profession's future trajectory.